Hello, welcome back to part 32 of this video tutorial how to build a Pacman game in XNA. Please don't forget to buy the content. Send €2.95 to PayPal account XNAPacman2013@hotmail.com. We send the content in 24 hours to your email address. In this tutorial we're gonna handle the Pacman collision, and this is part 3 where we fix the tunnel and coast home problem. So go to the map class, and the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna add a public bool. So public bool, and it's called isInTunnel, and its default set to false. Right? Indicates if we are in or going into the tunnel. And that's the public variable. Alright. And now we need two more small functions in the map class. And the first one you build is the inTunnel. So let's do that here. And that's a private bool. And called inTunnel. And we passed in an int for the column and an int for the row. And now we can say here that if row is equals to 17 and the column is smaller or equals to 1, or the column is greater or equals than 28. And if so, then is inTunnel true, and we return the isInTunnel. Otherwise, isInTunnel is false, and we return the isInTunnel. Right. Check if we are going into the tunnel. The column to check and the row to check. And it returns true if we are in the tunnel. Alright? And the second function we're gonna build, it's called inHome. So let's build that here. And that's a public bool inHome, and we passed in an int for the column and an int for the row. And here we say that if the row is equals to 15 and the column is equals to 13, or the row is equals to 15 and the column is equals to 14. If so, we return true. Otherwise, we return a false. Right? Check if we are trying to going into coast home. Right? The column to check and the row to check. And it returns a true. If we are trying go into the coast home. Alright. And that was the in home. And now we need to rebuild the is open location. So let's do that here. And now we can say at the top, check if we are or going into the tunnel. So we can say here that if in tunnel, and then we pass in the column and a row, then we return a through. Right? And so we can here check if we are trying to go into coast home. And here we can say that if in home, and then we pass the column and the row, and then return a false. Right? And here we can say check the other locations. So now we have rebuilt the is open map location. We go to the Pacman class and we need to rebuild the key left and key right. And what we're gonna do here is at the bottom we're gonna say check for the tunnel. Alright? And here we can say that if cam1 dot map dot is in tunnel and the map location dot x is equals to -13, then we set the position dot x equals to 656. Right? And now we can do the same for the key right. So here at the bottom we can say check for tunnel. And then we can say if game1 dot map dot is in tunnel and the map location dot x is equals to 39, then we're going to say that the position dot x is equals to minus 208. Alright? Okay. Well, let's see how this looks. So run this. Alright, and let's see if we now can go into the tunnel. Alright. And there we are, back. And let's see if we can go into the home. No, we can't go into the home. So we have fixed the problems for now. And I'm going to finish the tutorial here. And in the next tutorial we start creating a dot class. So I hope you enjoy and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.